are you trying to say? Y'all like Mexicans?
Dude, I am a fucking Mexican. I should cut you. Oh! Dude, me and my...
What?
Dude, my toes and the
Hey,
stick are having
Hey,
a war.
we're calling Louise. Hello? Dude, you wanna chill?
I can't. I'm up in Brainerd.
Oh, fuck me. Damn it, dude,
What?
we wanted to hang out.
Sucks.
Ah.
Yeah.
Maybe next time.
Okay.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye.
It sounds like I'm crying. Dude.
What, dude? We have no other option.
Think. Use your brain, dude. What drug he's
I don't know that many here.
doing. Dude, who else is like...
Dude, I'm gonna call Colton.
No, dude. We need someone to Monticello.
I know, but I'm gonna be like, what's up?
No, dude, we need to think. Dude, something just bit me.
This is not music.
What the fuck, dude? Please listen. Please listen. Please listen to the music. Music in your party is not reached. All I heard was beep, beep, beep.
Dude, that's all I heard too.
There was no music. I could,
No,
I
it was
could,
like, please enjoy the music when your party
no,
is reached.
I
And then it
could
was like,
sing better than that fat woman, dude. Beep, hello, keep, door,
oh my god.
mima,
Dude, Colton, pick up your phone, bro.
Johnny,
Dude, he texted me.
Save your Chinese friend, Kong Chong.
Okay, I will. Dude, let's try calling him. He's like, why'd you call me? I'm like, want to talk more. And we just left him a long voice.
This is my friend Kong Chong. You gotta go eat chopstick with rice.
Oh my god.
Rice with chopsticks. Teriyaki. Dude, I'm having way too much fun with it.
I know.